once I get into it, it's a very slow process. I try to envision in my mind the final piece before I put down that first brick. I'm actually gluing as I go. I have my little glue bottle right here, and I glue as I go. I am gluing each brick into place, which means if I make a mistake, I have to get out the hammer and the chisel. And I actually chisel bricks apart when they're glued together already and it doesn't look right.
Wow.
So it's a very slow process.
Hey, thanks for watching this video. This is my dog, Murphy, and these are dog treats. Now I'll give Murphy one of these dog treats, and all you have to do is press the like button. Just press that little like button right down there at the bottom of this video, and this sweet, adorable, cute little puppy gets a treat. All thanks to you. Alright, you did it? Okay, I believe you if you said you did it. There you go, Murph. She got that treat because of you. Now, I'll eat one of these treats, and all you have to do is click that subscribe button. Right there, pointing to it. Just click that subscribe button, subscribe to Curiosityness with me, Travis DeRose. Get lots of good video, and I'll eat this treat. Alright, you did that too? That's not very good. Bro, not very good.